sources of unequal amplitude of any phase shift. So here I have this x coordinate where I'm putting my two sources, source number one and source number two. Okay, and I'm considering that my source number one is nothing but the reference. My source number two leads source number one, and the difference between, or the path difference, I can't say path difference, but the distance between these two is nothing but the d. So this is my source number one, this is my source number two, and this is I'm just assuming this is my y coordinate. Okay, and this is my x coordinate. What you can say, this is the angle of psi. So if I want to put, now they are not having a equal amplitude, they are not having a equal phase. So how I'm going to draw the phasor diagram for this one? So if I draw a phasor diagram of this particular case, my phasor diagram will look like this. This is my source one. Okay, this is my source टू, ये आपका सोर्स टू है, ये आपका सोर्स वन है. नाउ व्हाट वी आर अज्यूमिंग हियर, जो भी आपका सोर्स वन, सॉरी, जो भी आपका सोर्स टू है, यहाँ पे फॉर अ सिंप्लिसिटी सोर्स वन इज यूज फॉर द रेफरेंस. ठीक है, एंड लेट द एम्पलीट्यूड ऑफ द करंट सोर्स टू इज लेस देन सोर्स वन. ठीक है, आपका जो भी सोर्स टू का एम्पलीट्यूड है दैट इज लेस देन द सोर्स वन, एंड दिस विल बी स्केल्ड बाय अ फैक्टर ऑफ ए. ठीक है, सो एंड योर ए इज लेस देन और इक्वल टू 1. So if you put the amplitude of this particular source 2, it will be AE0. ठीक है, अगर आप यहाँ पे लिख रहे हो तो ये आपका कैसे आएगा, इट विल बी AE0 और उसका फेज होगा e raised to j psi. ठीक है, now this will be resultant, sorry I'll just put, this is nothing but the resultant आपका जो भी है field यहाँ पे. ठीक है, so if you put here and here, ठीक है, they are having unequal amplitude. So till here you are having the amplitude of AE0. ठीक है, and now if this is of unequal amplitude and your amplitude extends till here, this angle is nothing but the psi. This also is nothing but the psi. अगर ये AE0 है तो ये भी आपका AE0 ही रहेगा और ये भी आपका AE0 ही रहेगा. So if you talk about the cos of psi, and if I'm interested here in this particular, so cos of psi is nothing but, say this is x and this is nothing but the y. So my cos of psi is nothing but the x divided by AE0. So if I'm interested in x, I can say this is AE0 cos of psi. So I can say this my side, ये वाला जो भी आपका side है, this is AE0 cos of psi. ठीक है, what about the sine of psi? It is nothing but the y divided by AE0. So I can say y is equal to AE0 sine of psi. So I can say this is the AE0 sine of psi. Now how I'm going to calculate the total field here? अगर आपको total field निकालना है तो you can calculate the total field is nothing but the E0 square. आपका जो भी resultant है उसका square, इसका square और इसका square. So I can say this E somewhere here, I'll just write. So E square is equal to mod x square plus mod of y square. Otherwise I can write this as a mod of E square is equal to x square plus y square will be okay. So I'll just put all that things over there. So if I put E square is equal to, now what is my x here? I have already calculated what is my x and what is my y. So I'll just put all that value. So if I'm saying x is a E0 sine of psi, this is value, I'm so sorry, so this is square. But again if I'm considering this is y value, this need to be added in this one. So E0 plus AE0 cos of psi. So this will be the plus E0 plus AE0 cos of psi. So I can say I have put it in the x square, this complete value will be x square and this complete value will be nothing but the y square. So just take E0 constant common. So it will be 1 plus a cos of psi square plus a sine of psi square. It's complete square. So take the square root of the both sides. I'll get E is equal to E0 square root of this whole term, which is nothing but the 1 plus a cos of psi square plus a sine of psi square. ठीक है. सो ये आ गया आपका एम्पलीट्यूड. The angle of the resultant with respect to the reference, that is to the source 1, will be tan of x. Tan of x means what? If I take this angle as x, if this is the angle x, so tan of x, I can say this is nothing but the, I can say this side divided by this side. So just putting all that values, I can write here a E0 sine of psi divided by E0 plus AE0 cos of psi. So tan of this comes A sine of psi, because E0 is common, will get cancelled, 1 plus A cos of psi. So you can put, or you can say that your angle x is nothing but the tan inverse of this term. Okay. Now putting all these things, I can say my resultant amplitude is nothing but the E is equal to mod of E angle x. So this will be E0, whatever things you have calculated, which is nothing but the 1 plus A cos of psi square plus A square sine square psi. Now we need to consider the angle, which is nothing but the tan inverse of A sine of psi divided by 1 plus A cos of psi. ठीक है. So this is all about the case number 5, whereas you are considering your amplitudes are different and your phases are different.